Draw a diagram showing the quadrant in which the rotating line OP lies for each of the following angles. In each case, find the acute angle that the line OP makes with the x-axis. So this is trigonometry A and AS level mathematics 1. So if you take 120 degrees, this is 120 degrees, which is marked in red, and the acute angle will be 60 degrees. For 430 degrees, you have a full rotation which is 360, and then 430 will lie in the first quadrant, so 70 degrees is the acute angle. What about 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 is 180 minus pi by 4, so this is 3 pi by 4, and the acute angle is pi by 4. Minus 2 pi by 3, so minus means you measure clockwise instead of anti-clockwise, so this will be 2 pi by 3, which is marked in green, and the acute angle is pi by 3. So the acute angle made with the x-axis is called the basic angle or the reference angle. Coming to the next question. Given sine 50 equal to b, express sine 230 degrees in terms of b. Sine 230 is sine 180 plus 50. We are in the third quadrant. Sine is negative. Horizontal axis, so sine remains sine. So it is minus sine 50, which is minus b. Cos 50. Cos 50, so if this is 50 and you have b and 1, you are given that sine 50 is b. So sine 50 is opposite side by hypotenuse, so this will be root 1 minus b squared. So cos 50 is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is root 1 minus b squared by 1. Tan 40. So if this is 50, this is 40, and tan is opposite side by adjacent side, which is root 1 minus b squared by b. Tan 140. Tan 140 is tan 180 minus 40. We are in the second quadrant. Tan is negative, and since we are measuring along the horizontal axis, tan remains tan. So it is minus tan 40, which is minus root 1 minus b squared by b. Now this is the graph of y equal to a sin x. Y equal to sin x is marked in green, and a sin x is a stretch of the graph y equal to sin x by a. So it is stretched by a. So your amplitude is a and period is 2 pi. Y equal to sin half x. In this case, sin 2x is a stretch of the graph, and if you have sin x, it will be stretch factor is half, amplitude is 1, and period is pi. So this is the graph y equal to sin x, and this is the graph y equal to sin 2x. So what happens in sin 2x? It is stretched by half. It shrinks by half horizontally. Y equal to a plus sin x. Here the graph just goes a units upwards. So your amplitude is a and period is 360 degrees. Now, if you have y equal to sin x plus 90, this is a translation of the graph, so it shifts minus pi by 2 to the left. So this will be the graph in red, y equal to sin x plus 90. Sketch the graph of y equal to sin x and y equal to sin x minus 90 for x lying between 0 and 360. Y equal to sin x is marked here in red, and y equal to sin x minus 90 will be a translation of the graph. It is shifted 90 units to the right. So it goes like this, 90 to 70. So this is the graph marked in green.